Today, I'm making a super quick and delicious breakfast with zucchini, bell peppers, and cheese. You'll find all the ingredients listed below and at the end of this video. This is the last zucchini from my garden. It's quite large, but the seeds are still small. Perfect for this recipe. I peel it and grate it finely. If you're wondering who's snoring over there, no, it's not my husband. That's my dog Bucks lying on his back, putting on his little sleep show. He's sleeping peacefully now, but as soon as I take out the cheese, he'll wake up in a flash. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt to the zucchini. This helps draw out excess moisture. We don't want our pancakes to be soggy. Now let's get to the bell peppers. I remove the core and seeds, then grate it on a coarse grater. This will leave only a thin skin, just right. For this recipe, you'll need about 5 to 6 eggs. But oh my luck, mine have 2 yolks, so I'll only use 3. I don't add any extra salt, as the zucchini is already seasoned. No need to beat, just gently mix the yolks and whites. Now squeeze the zucchini thoroughly. This is important, so our omelette holds its shape and doesn't fall apart. Add it to the eggs. Do the same with the bell pepper. Squeeze out the juice and mix.
Please subscribe to the channel and like it.
Add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper for a spicier taste, and a heaping tablespoon of flour.
Mix everything thoroughly until the dough is smooth.
Now onto the stove. Pour a ladleful of the mixture into a well-heated, lightly oiled frying pan and carefully spread it into a thin layer. Once the omelette has set and developed a light golden brown crust, start rolling it up on one side into a neat roll. Push it to the edge of the pan, then pour in a little more mixture to fill the empty space. When this new layer has set, sprinkle grated cheese on top. Once it has set, roll it up again, layer by layer, always waiting until the omelette has set to prevent it from breaking.
Add another layer of cheese, and after the last roll, our beautiful roulade is ready.
Turn it out onto a board and carefully slice. Let's take a look inside. The outside is golden and slightly crispy, and inside is soft, melted cheese that's so pleasantly stretchy.
You'd never guess there were zucchini and peppers hidden there.
If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and see you in the next delicious video. Bye!